warning for southeastern Quake County in east central New Mexico, northern Curry County in east central New Mexico, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a decaying thunderstorm was located 14 miles southeast of Raglan, or 27 miles northwest of Clovis, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Juan, Grady, Broadview, Wheatland, Bellevue, and Forest. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 350 and 361. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Blowing dust associated with strong thunderstorm winds can reduce visibilities below 1/4 mile at times. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Curry, New Mexico.